Hey guys, so congratulations very much on reaching to the end of this course. Definitely you guys have learned a lot through this course. Now let me in fact show you. I have created this through Canva. So while I was creating this, I solved this bottom and I saw actually all of these designs are really good looking and nice and eye catchy. So you guys definitely have made some great progress learning this course. So thank you very much for reaching up to here and congratulations to you. And next is probably I can give you a pro tip regarding a more way you can earn and basically enjoy your Canva journey is just reach out to people whom you can help. Say you know some big people who like postings and probably you can help them by making an attractive post. So directly DM to them, message them and reach out to them and ask that you can build this. Show your portfolio, show some of your designs. If you post on freelancing journey, people will have to actually come to those freelancing sites and have to reach out to you. While they do that, these freelancing sites take a small cut from that on their own. So at the starting, it might not sound much but as the journey progresses, your earning will actually consume a lot. So you'll not be paid with what you are actually should have been paid. So if you reach out to people through this DMs route, then maybe you can ask and bargain more. Definitely you can help a lot. You can reach out to people and you can increase your connections through this way as well. So maybe these people can recommend you to some others and can help you grow your journey as well. So this is one last pro tip I would like to share with you. And finally, definitely thank you for taking my course, and if you have any more comments to share, then you can definitely give it in a review or you can directly message me. So I'm trying to reduce my social media use nowadays, so I'm just limited to Twitter, and if you can reach out, then you can reach out me in LinkedIn as well. So definitely, if you prefer just to reach out through this reviews way, you can definitely review, and I would like to recommend that you leave out a review, and I hope it becomes a positive one so I can get motivated on creating the next one. And thank you once again for reaching out up to here, and I'll soon see you, perhaps one day, when you'll be earning a lot, thousands of dollars through one single post. So let's aim high.